Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here with another Beanie Boo inspired animal. So I have a couple videos on here now talking about these stuffed animals called Beanie Boos. They're super cute. My daughter collects them, and this one is a raccoon. And I haven't done a raccoon in my schools for a while. So I thought this would be like a perfect time to reintroduce a raccoon painting. So I'm going to start with Sharpie on paper, but you guys, I would recommend that you start with pencil and eraser, whether you're working on canvas or paper. It's always better to start with pencil and eraser just in case you make a mistake. So to start our Beanie Boo raccoon, I'm just going to start with a circle. And this circle is going to be the snout of the raccoon. So inside this circle, I'm going to put a big oval at the top. And this is going to be the nose. I'm going to leave a little sparkle, a little shine on my nose. And then I'm going to do my swoopy whoopy mouth to make it look like a happy raccoon. And then I'm going to make the big Beanie Boo eyes. So the Beanie Boo eyes are out to the side a little bit, and they're really big, like this. And we're going to turn them into donuts. Like that. And then I always like to add a couple sparkles to my eyes before I color in the donut middle. So sparkle, and then one more down here. And I'm gonna color, those are my cutie eyes. Super sparkle. Then after we have our two eyes on, I'm gonna draw a line for the top of the head. So the top of the head is just gonna be like a curve like that. And then I'm gonna draw a curve of the chin. Like this. And the reason why I added some space here, I love some space here, is because raccoons are fluffy. So I'm going to add a little bit of fluff to the sides of the face, like that. So after you have this fluffy part, we're ready to put on the raccoon's mask. So raccoons in real life, they have like black around their eyes, like a mask. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So to start the mask, I always go up from one side of the nose, straight up, and then I curve around the eye. Straight up, above the eye, out. So it's up and out on both sides. And then this is gonna be the top of the mask. We need a bottom of the mask. So from the bottom of where the nose and this line hit, I'm just gonna draw a line across like that. There. So now our raccoon is what looks like he's wearing a mask. So after you have your mask on, we're ready for the raccoon's ears. So raccoon's ears are kind of like cat ears, kind of like fox ears. They're tall and pointy. And I put a little pinky middle in there. Tall and pointy. I always love these little pinky middles. That's why I have the inner triangles. That's for our pinky middles. So after we have the ears on, I'm gonna do something kind of fun. So like I think the raccoon Beanie Boos that my daughter has, I don't think they're wearing scarves, but I just love putting like animals in scarves. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little scarf on this raccoon. And the way I do my scarves is I put a little ball on tucked under one side of the chin. And then once we have this ball here, I'm gonna start at the bottom of the ball and swoop around and hit the other side of the chin. And then all we need to do, this is the knot of the scarf. We need like two ends. We need like two ends coming out like that. So just two little pointy ends. And then you guys can decorate this scarf how you want. So I'm just gonna like put some little cute stripes. Like this, like that. Cute, cute, cute. All right, so we've got the head done. We've got the scarf done. The next thing we're gonna do are the front legs. So I'm gonna do a line down and a line down like that. And then a line kind of in the middle. These are gonna be the front legs. And to make these look like the front legs, we gotta put little paws on. So I'm gonna do two curves and I'm gonna put some little lines. So those are the front legs. Now to make this raccoon look like he's sitting, we're gonna go ahead and put two egg shapes out to the side kind of like tucked behind these front legs. See how they're kind of like tucked behind? And then to make them look like the paws, we got to put the paw prints in there. So big circle with 3 toes. Big circle with 1, 2, 3 toes. And then we need a little jump to show our knee, like our back leg, jump. And then the most important thing on a raccoon is the big stripy tail. So we gotta do this big pointy stripy tail, kind of tucked back here. Gotta add our stripes. And sometimes I'll make the stripes curved a little bit just to make this look a little more 3-dimensional. And there you have it. You have your Beanie Boo raccoon, super, super cute. Now, when you are ready to paint or color your Beanie Boo raccoon, I'm gonna show you how I do that. So I pick usually a lighter color. If you're making this more realistic, you would pick like a lighter gray. And the light color, I'm doing my raccoon pink and purple, but you guys can do it gray. But this part of the face is gonna be a light color. So for me, that's gonna be light pink. But you guys could be light gray, it could be yellow, it could be light blue, whatever color you wanna pick. You can pick your favorite color if you want. So this part of the face is going to be a light color. And around the ears. And then actually the whole rest of the body, except for the bottoms of the paws and only every other stripe of the tail. So I'm gonna do this kind of quickly. You guys take your time. I'm just trying to show you quickly how I would color this raccoon, but you guys can go at your own pace. All right, and this part would be a light color. Okay, so once we get to that point, then we're gonna move on to the tail. The tail's gonna be, every other color is gonna be the light color. So raccoons, I'm gonna have them be like 2 colors. So one is a light color, one is a dark color. And it doesn't matter what color. So I've got all my light colors in here. So now I'm gonna move on to a darker color. Let me see, what do I wanna do? Blue or maybe purple? Yeah, purple, that sounds good. All right, so I've got a purple color. The dark color is gonna be the mask. So here's our mask. And around the other eye. Yeah, because raccoons really, they could look like a lot of other animals if they didn't have the coloring that they do. Because they, I mean, their body shape is kind of like a fox maybe, but their coloring is what sets them apart. So they've got like a dark color. They've got black around their eyes like this. And the other place you're gonna see that black is every other stripe of the tail is gonna be a dark color. So if you were painting this realistically, or you were drawing this realistically, my pink areas would be light gray and my purple areas would be black. And the other thing I like to do with this darker color is I like to do the outside of my paws. So like around these paw prints, I like these paw prints, like the outside here, to be a dark color, and then the inner paw print, I usually make those pink. So just like this. Okay, so I've got that done. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my pink colored pencil again, and I'm gonna color in those paw prints. Oh, and I see something else I need to make pink. Okay, so I got my pink on my paws. Okay, so the inner ear, because I've already done like light pink, I'm gonna do a dark pink for the inside of the ear, because I usually make the inside of my ears, no matter what color I make this animal, even if I were making it gray and black, I would still do the inside of the ear pink. And then your scarf could be any colors that you want. So maybe I'll just stick with some pink. So maybe do dark pink and maybe some purple. So this whole thing would be pink and purple. Another thing you guys can do before I forget, where's my blue? Here it is. You can paint the eyes or color the eyes. Any color you want. I think blue would be pretty. Oh, maybe I'll make my scarf pink and blue. It'd be pretty. All right, guys, you guys can finish this however you want with whatever colors you want. Thank you for joining me today to paint or color this cute little Beanie Boo raccoon. I am so glad that you are tuning in to the YouTube channel and drawing with me every day. Hope to see you again tomorrow.